Want to create stunning videos without breaking a sweat? Let's get started with InVideo. First things first, head over to InVideo's website. If you're new, sign up. If not, log in and let's roll. Next, pick a template. They've got tons for everything. Promos, socials, you name it. Choose one that fits your vibe. Now customize your video. Swap out the placeholder text with your own. Adjust fonts, colors, and sizes to match your style. Upload your images or videos or browse their stock library. Need more scenes? Add, duplicate, or remove them easily. Add audio background music or your own voiceover. InVideo's library has you covered, or you can upload your own tracks. Enhance your video with transitions, animations, and stickers. Make your content pop. Preview your masterpiece. Make any tweaks you need, then finalize your settings. Ready to go? Export your video in HD or 4K. Download it or share directly to your socials. And there you have it! Creating amazing videos with InVideo is a breeze. Happy creating!